traders, Greg here with the market update. Okay, so the only way to call this market at the moment is a raging bull market. Repeat, raging bull market. Look, this market has had plenty of reasons to sell off. This week we had Fed's Powell. He spoke twice at Congress, and in no uncertain words, there was nothing unambiguous about what Powell basically said, is that the Fed is on an extended pause. So there are no Fed rate cuts coming anytime soon. Look, market has started repricing the Fed, obviously. They're looking at one rate cut towards December this year. I think you'd be lucky even if you get that. The Fed easing, the Fed rate cuts was a big reason that supported the market, and that certainly is not there anymore. The other thing that we had this week that was big was that we had US monthly CPI data. That US CPI data was red hot. It was the hottest US CPI data that we have seen since August 2023, so almost 1.5 years. Headline inflation has actually gone up from 2.4% in October. It's gone up 4 months in a row. It's now at 3%. Core CPI was supposed to go from 3.2% down to 3.1%. It did the complete opposite and it went to 3.3%. So core CPI is going up as well. We have an inflation problem. Market did what it was supposed to do. Sold off immediately when it saw that CPI news, but that dip was bought, and it was bought aggressively. We saw a V-shaped rally. We even saw NASDAQ close at the highs of the day post that CPI data. No, unbelievable. Not only can we forget about Fed rate cuts, but in the future, I mean, we haven't even seen Trump's tariff policies feed into that CPI data. So no doubt that CPI data is going to continue to go even further north, and at some stage, potentially, we're going to be talking about rate hikes again. Market does not care, keeps going higher. The other thing that we've, every single day, there's not one single day that we have not seen a tariff headline from Trump. Initially, market, every time we saw those headlines sold off. Now, when we see tariff headlines, again, market doesn't care, goes higher. Now, there's one reason, and the only reason why market is ignoring all the negativity, and it's Trump, and it's Trump euphoria, and what Trump is doing with Elon Musk. The market is giving Trump the benefit of the doubt at the moment that the changes, all the decisions, the policy that he's doing is a positive, and that's exactly the way the market is treating it. So at the moment, yes, buy anything, and it seems like it will work. The only thing that potentially may go south is crude. One of the things that's happening at the moment at a very high level, obviously, is we're having talks with Trump, Putin, ending the war in Ukraine. Consider that war is over now. It's just a matter of time before we actually get the headlines of exactly how they are going to manage that the end of the war. There is one market though that may go down, and that is crude oil. The reason for that is that the war with Russia and Ukraine is officially over. Trump and Putin obviously are speaking at a very high level, and the headlines will be coming very soon, exactly what agreement that they have made, but look, it's happened, okay? And what that will mean is that sanctions on Russia will be relaxed, and Russian oil will be flowing again. And that's a big deal, and that certainly will get crude oil lower. Lower crude oil is one of Trump's biggest policies, that he wants to get inflation lower by getting crude prices lower. So I think the days of crude above $70 are now coming to an end, and yes, probably a high conviction trade as well is that we will see crude lower. Okay, look, I hope you have some good trades during the week, and we'll check back in with you shortly.